Good everyone, welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac, and it's a pleasure to have you. It's a pleasure to have you here on this live stream. So, in today's live stream, talking more about AI video creation. So, if you are passionate about learning AI video creation or stuff like that, this is an opportunity for you to ask questions. So let's ask questions. Let's talk about AI related topics here on this live stream. So kindly ask questions if you have questions about AI video, AI prompt and stuff like that. So guys, let's discuss about AI or AI related topics on this live stream. Guys, let's talk about AI. Let me check the chat box. Let me check the chat box. Guys, let's talk about AI. Hi everyone, welcome to this live stream. If I joined for the first time, my name is Isaac and welcome to this live stream. Today's live stream talking about AI video creation and how to get better with your AI prompting skills, or how to get better with your AI toolbelt. So AI prompt toolbelt. So kindly ask questions if you have questions about AI in general or AI related topics, or how to create an AI video and how to catch an AI video and stuff like that. So this is a lesson for us to talk and vibe and discuss more about AI. Please let's drop our questions. Let's ask questions. Let's drop our questions here on this live stream. What are your questions about AI prompts? I want to answer your questions now. Please let's discuss more on AI. So let's talk about artists, so to say. So first of all, before you could get better with your AI video creation skills, you have to be very good or very grounded on RTC. And what is RTC? What the heck is RTC? RTC is a formula that you can use to get or to the RTC is a formula that you can use to be effective, like to create an effective AI prompt. So if you're the type that always use AI a lot, like use AI to say a lot, we have ChatGPT, we have Cloud, we have all and stuff, so on and so forth. So if you're the type that use AI tools a lot, or should be ideally you have a formula or a template whereby you use to create your AI prompt. That may be AI prompt for generating videos or creating scripts for 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 any workflows you're working on, or as a business personnel, or as a business person, there should always be an AI you always use for your daily activities and stuff like that. There should be a system or a formula, a template you use in creating your AI. So if you have a good template, if you have a perfect template, if you have all this kind of like stuff, it's always good or it's always ideal to like, oh my god, I don't know I don't know how to create an AI prompt. That's the first thing you have to deal with. And how to write an effective AI prompt, that's the second question you have to deal with too. So if you know that answer to the first question is yes, that would drive you down to the second question, which you guide on how to create an effective AI prompt. So it's always good to be able to learn because obviously every day is learning is ever every day. Learning is happening every day, so to say. So being able to what? Being able to write an effective AI prompt is something that you can just sit down and work on personally on yourself. So first and foremost, what the heck is RTC? RTC is a formula I've been using personally to create AI prompts for myself. Is that to create content or to create scripts, to create AI video scripts, or to do a lot of things for myself. That's just that about. That's just that about. Not just that about that. So let me see. Let's bring up this chat box. Let me see. I want to see how we can do with this stuff. Let me bring your screen. I'm trying to see these features on my. I'm trying to see how these features on my Lightroom works. I don't really know. Oh my god. Oh, I don't really know much about this. So let's just continue. I'm trying to like check out all these features on my live stream, but I don't really know much about them. So let's continue what we're talking about. So I was talking about RTC. How to learn AI video creation. So RTC, what the heck is RTC? RTC is formula I've used to create an AI prompt for myself, and what I've learned so far, or what the productivity of what I've been able to achieve with RTC is enormous. So one of the use cases of RTC is when I want to create a Facebook post. I don't just go I just go on ChatGPT or Cloud to just like type create a Facebook post for me. I have to follow a guideline, I have to follow a template, which is what I'm talking about now. So the template of the guideline is just nailed to what use the RTC formula. So let's start with the RTC as an acronym. So RTC obviously is an acronym. So let me try and explain what this RTC does. So the first one is R, which stands as a row. Obviously, I want to create a Facebook post. What are the rows? What are the rows I want my AI to start as? So I'll obviously see out like a Facebook post creator with over 40 years of experience or with over 30 years of experience. That's just that about the row. So let's move to the next part now, which is the T. The T is the tags now. Which tag am I giving to that AI to create? Obviously, I've given it a row already. The next part now, which is the T, which is the tags, obviously, is to tell the AI tools to create a Facebook post for me. Create a Facebook post for me that illustrate or explain more about AI video creation. That's just the tags. So after the tags, the next part, which is the C, is the context now. Which context am I giving to the AI tools to work on in respect to that AI video creation service or AI video creation solution I'm about to create? So the context is to give more context to what messages, to what posts I want to have it generated for me. Do you understand? That's just the simple illustration. That's just my own brief explanation of how RTC work as formula to create an AI prompt. So this is just that about. This is just that about that. And if you have more questions or more inquiries about how I'm able to achieve this, I'm able to come about this formula, you can just drop a comment section below or you reach out to me personally and I'll be willing to answer you anytime, any day. So that's about RTC formula. And that's just that about creating an effective AI prompt. So and that's just that about getting better with using AI tools, because when you are not effective with your AI prompt, you won't even enjoy using all these AI tools like Javity and stuff like that. So when you are very effective or when you're very good at your AI prompt, you'll be able to enjoy the benefit of using each of those AI tools. That's one. And two, you'll be able to get better with productivity. And that's three. The third one now is being able to what? The emotional reaction that comes from being able to achieve what you want with any AI tool you're using, either cloud or ChatGPT. Obviously, when you are getting an effective result, you'll be happy, and what you are trying to achieve will also be what will be achievable too. So those are the things those are the things you generate, or those are the things you about to what you get when you're creating or when you're using an effective AI prompt. So just my own part, that's my own illustration, creating an AI prompt, an effective AI prompt, so to say. So that's sorry, that's that about that. So please, if you have any question, I'm here to get any question from anyone. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop your question. Let's talk about it. What are your questions on AI prompts? What are your questions on AI video creations? What are your questions on AI prompts? What are your questions on AI video creations? What are your questions on AI prompts? What are your questions on AI video creation? What are your questions on AI prompts? What are your questions on AI video creation? Any questions? I'm not sure anyone is here on this live stream. I'm not sure anyone is here on this live stream. Nobody's here on this live stream. I want to ask questions. What are your questions, guys? Let's talk about AI. Let's talk about AI video creations. What are your questions? I want to answer some questions. What are your questions, please? Let's talk about it. What are your questions? Please, let's ask our questions. Let's ask questions. Let's ask questions, please. Let's talk about AI video creation. Let's talk about as formulas, as the best formula for creating an AI, as the best formula for creating an AI prompt of various use cases, either to create videos, either to create for your videos, either to create content, either to create, to summarize content, how to generate code for programmers or for developers, and a lot of things, but a lot of things as a user of any AI tools. So the RTC is like the formula, a template you can use to generate any kind of prompt, any kind of use cases, any kind of stuff that you want to work on. Yeah, so just that on that. So concerning the AI video creation part, I will employ you to stick around. Of if you've not been following me to this point, kindly try and follow me. Follow me on follow my YouTube channel, and I believe when you follow or subscribe my YouTube channel, any video I create, or any video or content I post, or any live stream I create, I'll be exploring more on AI video creations. I'll be telling you more, gisting you more, or vibing with you more on this kind of content. And I know sometimes it might not look as expected to, because sometimes it's just kind of something like crazy too, because just me doing this live stream, I barely have a single viewer. So, but I just have to come up and just show up, because that's the benefit of being a content creator, being a digital creator too, because you always have to show up either you have viewers or not, and it's just part of the journey, it's part of the experience. So, guys, if you have any question, or if you want to reach out personally, you can always reach out to me. I believe my email address is on the top part description of this YouTube channel. So if you are willing to reach out to me for any AI video services, you can definitely reach out. Or if you are willing for us to talk more about AI video creations, you can decide to reach out. Or if you're willing to learn more about how to use this formula RTC I've discussed over in this live stream, you can definitely reach out also. That's just why I'm here for you guys. So thank you all for joining this live stream. And I'll be coming up possibly in the night or tomorrow by God's grace to this same channel, to this same platform, to talk about AI videos, to talk about AI related topics and stuff like that. So it's always a pleasure to be here, and thank you all for taking your time to watch or to vibe with me on this live stream. Yeah, I'll be signing out now from this part of the world. Yeah, catch you up guys later.